What if real-world assets like bonds, real estate, and stocks lived on the blockchain? That's RWA, real-world assets. In traditional finance, or TradFi, trillions flow through these assets. In crypto, it's mostly still magic internet tokens. RWA is the bridge. You get real yield, 24/7 markets, and on-chain transparency, all backed by real-world value. Imagine holding US Treasuries in your DeFi wallet, getting 5% yield, no middlemen, no closing hours. Even BlackRock is in, launching a $400 million tokenized fund on Ethereum. And over 50% of DAI is now backed by real-world finance. Why now? After the 2022 crypto crash, investors want stability and returns, not just speculation. That's why RWA is booming in 2025. It's TradFi meets DeFi, and both sides are finally shaking hands. Which project are you most bullish on? Drop it in the comments.